Frag out. Fuck, I'm made. Broke visual with the enemy.
Nice.
Get ready, Oz.
Shit. Target down. That's a kill.
I'm pinned down here.
In position now. Frag out.
They're all there.
I'm running out of bullets.
Enemy position located. Picking up a signal from the recon tower.
Yeah, ran out of bullets. They just keep getting everyone up. Careful, Whub, they're all there.
Target down. I'm pinned down. Hey, I'm placing a mine. Yo, we got anti-personnel mines.
Good, he's not going to make it. Whub, right to your right, 90 degrees to your right, straight between me and you and the body, you and Daddy's body.
Tango down.
The recon tower is back online.
I think he's gone back to the chest, the resupply chest. Ah, got him up. Watch out for the mine. One's heading to my body. Yep, just... Brad, you must be right on him. He must be right there in front of you.
Under heavy fire.
Oh shit, I didn't even see him.
Oh, they've marked you. Wubby's right there. Damn, you need to get a better shotgun. He's rushing at you. He's rushing out. He's right there.
Target is down.
Grenade, grenade, grenade.
I got the demo primed.
Blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it, quick.